Hi everyone, bonjour à tous. This is Katie from Subbreeze for Craft Corner. Today for Craft Corner, I'm going to show you how to make a game of Connect 4. All the materials you see in my video are either found within my home or at my local dollar store or grocery store. Let's get started. First off, for my base, I grabbed this Bristol board I had just because I wanted a flat surface, especially because we're going to be using my marker to draw our lines. So you will need a Sharpie, or you can use a washable marker or pen, but I recommend this. It works the best. You're going to need some tape, some large Ziploc bags, some baby oil, and some pom-poms, 2 different colors. Today I'm going to be using orange and green. You can use any size you'd like. The larger ones are better, but I only have the small/medium ones, so that'll work for today. So first off, what you're going to do is grab your Ziploc bag, because we need to draw our Connect board. So it is preferred the ones without the label or this white patch on it, or you can remove it, but if not, it's okay, it'll still work. So what we're going to do is you need to draw a big square, and then you're going to need to do rows of 5 by 4. So I already drew one, just so that way it would go a little quicker for us today. So as you can see, it's a little hard to see because it's see-through, but I did my board. I wrote Connect 4, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 1, 2, 3, 4 is what you're looking to do. So once you draw your board, then what you're going to do is grab your bottle of baby oil, and we're going to pour it into the bag. I have here a 237 milliliter bottle, just a small one, and I feel like it should be enough, but I did purchase a second one in case. So we're going to grab our Connect bag, and you're going to pour the whole bottle in. That's right, the whole little bottle. Perfect. So that's that. As you can see, fills the bottom. That's all you need. Then you're going to grab your pom-poms. I figure 6 of each should be plenty. You can add as many or as little as you have or want, but at least have more than 4. So we're going to do 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and because I have extra pom-poms, I'm going to add 2 more each, just to be safe. So in total, there we go. Then what you're going to do is try to release as much air as you can from your bag. So just try to release as much air as you can before you seal it. Then we're going to seal the bag. And then this is where your masking tape or your clear tape comes in handy, because we want to make sure there's an extra seal so when little ones are playing with it, the bag does not bust open and make a big mess everywhere. Even though baby oil smells good, it can be a little messy. And of course, I'm having some trouble with my tape. There's one piece. Oof. There we go, I got my tape. So you're gonna grab a piece, break it off, and then you're gonna try your best to seal your bag extra. There we go. And then once your bag you feel is sealed, then you're gonna lay it flat so your oil and your pom-poms can go all over. Another fun trick you can do is grab your tape and also tape it either to your table or, in my case, my Bristol board, so that way the bag doesn't move while you're playing. So then what you do is you move your oil around your Connect 4 and then you start. So then you can slide your pom-poms around, and you gotta try and connect 4. It's a fun little game to do at home, especially on a rainy day. And you just slide them around. I think it was a good thing I added a few extra. So maybe instead of 6 of each, maybe add 10 pom-poms to be safe, just so you have enough colors. Oops. And there you have it, my little game of Connect 4. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you try to make a Connect 4 game at home, let me know, because I'd love to see your pictures and how it turned out. Hope everyone has a great day. Bye everyone!